Hi friends, this video shows how to delete a Google TV profile. Let me go to top left corner, set switch accounts. Here you can see this TV has 3 profiles, Anna, John and Kid1. I am going to delete this profile John. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to accounts and profiles. And here you can see right now the active profile is John Sam. So I need to change this. Let me switch to Anna, set switch account, done. Then go back. Now the active account is Anna. Now I can delete this profile John Sam. Select John Sam, select remove, select remove, done. So this way we can delete Google TV profile. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.